Hearty, delicious, and so easy to put together. I'm just starting by mashing a banana. This will help sweeten the oats. A ripe banana would be easiest to smash and the sweetest. To make the morning easier, this dish could be assembled at night and put into the oven the next morning. Rolled oats go in next. Be sure to use certified gluten-free if you are celiac. I also add a bit of oat flour. This will help the baked oats be a bit more cake-like. Baking soda, cinnamon, flax meal, and a pinch of salt will give this dish more flavor, more nutrition, and a bit of lift. Walnuts add to the heartiness and can easily be replaced with pecans, pistachios, or whatever nuts you like. For a bit more sweetness, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of maple syrup and some vanilla. The maple syrup can easily be increased if you like a sweeter dish or left out completely. One of my favorite parts of this dish is the blueberries. I'm using frozen. Raspberries would be amazing, as well as strawberries, peaches, apples, or most any other fruit. A bit of melted butter and your favorite plant milk go in. Then give it a really good mix. I'm using an 8x8 Pyrex dish. The bottom and sides need to be either sprayed or oiled. The mixture goes in and the top smoothed out. One of the best reasons to make baked oatmeal is that you can add a topping that gets baked in. I've tried a couple different toppings, but I think that jam is my favorite. I'm just adding a few tablespoons and spreading it around the top. Other toppings could be nuts or seeds, coconut flakes, a crumb topping, or whatever you like. When it comes out of the oven, it's crispy on top, creamy inside, and full of flavor. I love topping the baked oatmeal with yogurt, a bit of tahini, and cacao nibs. Check out my channel for lots of great vegan recipes.